is Current with another video. Today I have squishies, as you know from the title. Squishies. We're gonna be trying to fix my terrible squishies. So soft and slow are terrible. See, like, look at this. They're not even really squishy compared to Amazon squishies. And like, they're just so terrible. They're not really squishy. Like, just look at this. Not even squishy. Like a unicorn squishy. Just see how this is. Soft. It's so soft. So, we're gonna be trying to fix my soft and slow squishies. So yes, I have a hack for you guys. If you have soft and slow squishies like this, yeah. So we're actually gonna put your squishy in the refrigerator or cooler or freezer, whatever you guys have. And I'll be trying to fix all of these squishies from soft and slow squishies. So we're gonna go downstairs and fix my squishies. I'm putting all the squishies in the freezer, trying to find some room. I'm gonna put that squishy, gonna put that squishy. Gonna find that room for squishy. Oh, maybe there. Let's go put my last squishy. Oh my gosh, my Egos! I love me some Egos. So guys, I put my squishies in the refrigerator. So now I just gotta set my timer for 5 minutes. Now I gotta go set my timer. Oh my gosh, 0 seconds, 5 minutes, and let me click start. I'm still waiting for my 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna keep on waiting. So now I'm trying to find my tablet. Where is my tablet? Oh my gosh. Oh, there's my tablet. Haha. Peace sign. Oh, now I gotta flip my tablet, sign in, blah blah blah. Blah, 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 just blah, blah, blah. Now I'm in Toys and Me. Make sure you go follow her on her Instagram, Musically, and subscribe to her. She's really cool. Yeah, now I'm squishing my fave squishy, 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 squishy. Oh, I'm kind of yawning, haha. Now, I'm just keep on watching. Actually, they're doing squishy video. Oh, now I'm... So I was about to say my timer's done. So let me go get at that. Alright, first of all, I thought that was an ice cream truck. So let me try again. Oh, I'm gonna go downstairs and get my squishies, open my door, walk in my mom's room. Hey mom, you okay? Mom, you okay? Yeah, you okay? Now I gotta go downstairs, put the lights on. Go downstairs steps. Now go in the kitchen. Now open the refrigerator. Now get that squishy. Get that squishy. That squishy. That squishy. And that squishy. And that squishy. And yeah. My squishies. So first they'll feel like hard, like this, like even harder. But you just gotta wait like 2 minutes for like it to like soften up. So like right now my squishies are frozen and like hard as a brick. Like seriously. But you just gotta let that wait. Now I'm just waiting for my squishies to dry. So this is gonna be all in fast motion. So, just watching some more Toys and Me, blah, 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 and I'll get to you maybe when I finish watching on my YouTube. And now I'm watching Smelly Belly TV, so bye. So, guys, I think my squishies should be, soft and slow, I believe. Oh, they're still the same. They're like kind of soft and slow. But this one is the best. Because look. It's so slow rising. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Let's check out the popcorn too. Oh. Oh my gosh. Guys, this hack works. Guys, just telling you the truth, this hack does work. It works, guys. Make sure you go try it out with your hard and squishies, and they will actually turn out so soft. So bye guys. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.